Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the Hamming distance. Hamming distance is used for the error correction and detection. And what is an Hamming distance? Hamming distance is an numbers of the matches occurring at the same position in the two string. Consider this is a part of our fourth unit, that is error correction and detection. Here we consider that there are the two strings, work, it is a first string, and second is an walk. In that, in the first position, the first character W is matches with the first character of the second string. Second character O is mismatched with the second character A of second string. R is not matches with the L. K is matches K of first string is matches with the K of second string. So there are the two mismatches occurring in between the two strings. So here the Hamming distance is 2. Means Hamming distance find out the numbers of the mismatches that are occurring in between the characters of at the same position in between the two strings. Here the second example is that there are at the first position P matches with the P, O is mismatched with the A, I matches with the I, N is matches with the N, T is matches with the T. So first string is point and second string is paint. So here the Hamming distance is 1. Here there is a third example. Here L is mismatched with the V. That is first position character of first string is mismatched with the first position character of the second string. A is matched with the A, N is mismatched with the L, and E is matches with the E. So the Hamming distance is 2. Hamming distance is also calculated for the binary numbers. Suppose we consider the one string in that there is a binary number is here the binary number is 01011100 and second is 01111010. So here in between the two strings there are the 0 matches with the 0, 1 matches, 1 bit is matches with the 1, 0 is mismatched with the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So there are the total 3 mismatches of the bit is occur. First is here, second is here, third is here. So the Hamming distance calculated for the binary number is 3. Hamming distance is also calculated Hamming distance is also calculated by using the XOR table. So here we consider the second example. In that the first string 1101010 and second string 10001111. So what is the XOR operation? XOR operation in that if there is a consider the here XOR table. If there are the two inputs are same 0 0 and 1 1, so there is an output is 0. If the inputs are different, if there is a first input is 0 and second input is 1, then our output is 1. And if first input is 1 and second input is 0, the output is 1. Means if there are the same input given to the string, the output is 0. If there are the different input is given to the string, that there are the 1 is output. So in the XOR operation we get here the output is 11010 1000 1001 0111 11001 1. So there are the total number of ones available in the output are the 4. So the Hamming distance for that string is a 4. This is calculated by using the XOR operation. So what is an actual application of Hamming distance? Hamming distance Hamming distance is used for error correction and detection in the networking. If Hamming distance, if there is a message sent from sender to the receiver, there is a message or payload. Within that payload, there is an binary numbers assigned. This binary numbers is sent from sender and given to the receiver. Receiver matches that binary number to the binary number that's sent by the sender. If there is a mismatch occur, then there is a error is occur, and this error is calculated by Hamming distance. If the Hamming distance is equal to 0, then there is a no error is occur. If the Hamming distance is greater than 0, it may be the 2, it may be the 3, there are the error is occur. So by using the Hamming distance, we detect the error. So the receiver can easily know that there is a error is occur to the given message. So again it requests for the payload from the sender. So next concept is your Hamming code. What is the Hamming code? Hamming code is, by using the Hamming code, we detect and correct the error. Hamming code applied to the any data unit of any length. It is used to file the single bit error. So we consider the example how to find out the error and detect the error by using it. So consider the one example here. If there is a example is also asked in your exam, if there is a problem statement is given here, if the 7-bit Hamming code word received by a receiver is 101111, and here the binary string is given, that is 1011011, assuming that there is a even parity. Assuming that there is a even parity, state whether the receiver code word is correct or wrong. If wrong, then locate the bit having error. Here the problem statement is given. Here the Hamming code structure is given, that is a 7-bit Hamming code given in your problem statement, and here the string is also given, that is 101111, and here in problem statement there is a even parity is mentioned here. Even there are the even parity and odd parity. Even parity means if the numbers of the one are numbers of the ones are even, then they are the even parity. If the numbers of the ones are odd in number, then this is a odd parity. I will show in a exam. I will show in a problem. Here there are the 7-bit Hamming code data structure is given, that is D7, D6, D5, P4, D3, P2, P1. Okay. D represent the data unit, and P represent the data bit and parity bit. Here our string that mentioned in our problem, that is 101111, is written here 101111. So we have to perform the step 1. In that we have to calculate for the parity bit P4. P4 is, this parity bit is always associated with the D5, D6 and D7 bit. It is fixed. It can't be changed. So P4 is associated with the D5, D6 and D7. So here we write the bit associated with that parity, that is 1, 1, D5 is 1, D6 is 0 and D7 is a 1. So we have to calculate the numbers of the 1 here. Here the numbers of the ones are 1, 2, 3. There are the 3 numbers of ones. Means there is a odd parity. So P4 is equal to the 1. For the odd parity we have to write the parity bit 1. For the even parity we have to write the parity bit as a 0. So next we have to calculate in a step 2 for the second parity bit, that is P2. P2 is always associated with the bit D3, D6 and D7. So here the bits associated with that parity is 1, D3 is 0, D6 is 0 and D7 is 1. We have to take that bit from that data structure. Next, so numbers, here we have to calculate the numbers of 1. Here numbers of 1, there are the total numbers of 1 here are the 2, 1, 2. So there are the even parity. This is a even parity. So for the even parity we have to write the 0 for P2. If it is odd, then we write a 1 for the parity bit. Next we have to calculate the remaining parity bit is your P1. P1. So P1 is always associated with the data bits, that is D3, D5 and D7. Here we have to write the bits from that data structure, that 1, 0, 1, 1. So here we have to calculate the numbers of 1, 1, 2, 3. So there are the 3 numbers of ones here. So we get a odd parity. That is, there are the 3. So we got a odd parity. So the P1 is mentioned as a 1 for the odd parity. Next we have to find the final correcting code. So P4, P2 and P1. P4, P2 and P1. So there the binary we write here the output, that is 101. 101 we get here 101 we get here in the binary form. If we want to convert that 101 in a decimal form, so we get a 5 in a decimal. So from that conversion we find out the location where the actual error is occurred. So there are the 5th location in our data structure where the actual error is occurred. So here is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th location, where the 5th location is of D5. The bit of D5 is a 1. So there is an actual error is occur at the D5. So we need to convert that 1 to 0 to obtain a corrected code. So the final corrected code here is 1, 0. Here the 1 is converted into a 0 for the correction. 1, 0, 1, 1. So we get a final corrected code, that is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So the corrected code is 1001011. So at the receiver we get a final corrected code by using the Hamming code. So Hamming code is used for the error correction and detection. So this is the use of Hamming code.